ibinasura po yung petisyon na humihingi na ideklara na legal na Senate President, Acting Senate President at Senate Pro Tempore si Gatchalian at ang kanyang mga kasama na si Erich Sylvester, the American law bender, bilang di umano ay chairperson ng Committee on Blue Ribbon na tinatawag nating Red Ribbon. At dahil binasura ng Korte Suprema yung ganyang petisyon, walang basbas na legal ang Malacanang Senate at walang basbas na legal na Acting Senate President at Speaker Pro Tempore itong si Gatchalian.
Breaking news mga kul. The Supreme Court junks petition on Senate quorum during Gatchalian-led session. So meaning mga kul, invalid to nga quorum.
It is in the Philippines Constitution about the motu proprio and force majeure, which was in Article 1174 of the Civil Code. If such institutions including Supreme Court can apply this, why not the Senate? Do it means if the 12 majority senators doesn't want to go to the Senate for quorum whenever they decided, then they must be quoted or be just ignored. Is it not the force majeure and the motu proprio could be resorted to, that the justice may not be derailed or be delayed? It is in a saying that it is hard to wake up the awake. So is it is easier to order those outside the country to return than those inside the country, referring to those senators who were not present in Senator Gatchalian's election as Senate President. If the Supreme Court declared the Avellino versus Cuenco and the decision of 12 senators during former Senator Franklin Drilon as legal, if so, why is the decision of the Senate to Gatchalian is not being decided by the Supreme Court as though there are a severe chaos, as if they seem to have the same basis? Does that mean the Supreme Court has no stable basis? Just as in deciding who people are involved, etc. What I mean why there's silence about Gatchalian case. To Supreme Court, you are taking an oath over the Bible. In God there is no poor or rich, young or old, enemy or friend, officials or ordinary citizens. The courts must always look or decide upon the truth. These were the Supreme Court rulings to the petition of the teacher Mr. Taom. Number 1, the petitioner is without legal standing. Number 2, that he failed to show he personally suffered or was at risk of direct injury from the Senate's actions. The fact he is one of all that suffering the Filipino peoples of what is happening in the Senate, a Senate President that was seated unconstitutionally, since he was unlawfully voted with a fugitive decision which is against the law. If you just humbly acknowledge the petition of the lowest class person that you consider no legal stand, then there would be no alleged information that the Senate will be attacked by such armed group. Then there would be no alleged information that the Senate will be attacked by such armed group.